World. This is January 17th, I believe, or 19th, my bad, 19th, 2012. This is the morning after. It's already been snowed. It's just froze overnight. I'm losing a lot of branches. You see them sagging. They're falling everywhere. Huge branches. It's really, really icy out here. You can hear me walking. This is my car. If you can see, there is a sheet of ice all the way across the car. And I mean all the way. It's filled in seals, like, see that? I can't even get my finger in there. Look at that. That's a thick, huge layer of ice right there. This whole entire car, man. Ice everywhere. I'm not even going to attempt to try to open it. I mean, it's frozen shut. This is the door handle. I can't even get my fingers in there. And there you can see kind of what I mean. Right here, I'm going to show you. This is where I was doing it earlier. You can see that one piece of I took off. You can see that thick layer right there. See that? All the way around my car, man. And as far as the backyard goes, we're having the same problem. Tree branches falling everywhere. Got this big huge tree sagging, dropping all the branches. She's out here. Yep.